Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a montage of what we got up to yesterday. It was my sister's 30th birthday. We rented out a huge wooden boat. It is called a Dhow. This boat fits up to 25 people. We were only 16 people. We had a lot of extra space, so it was actually perfect during this pandemic. We were able to sit far away from each other. We rented the boat from a company called QIT Tours. I'll link them in the description below. We rented the boat out for 5 hours and we paid 2,000 riyals. It's actually super cheap. It's something you must do if you're here in Qatar. We also rented a jet ski for 2 hours and we paid 1,000 riyals. So we actually met in the beginning of the Corniche where all those dhows are actually parked. QIT Tours had people that were helping us load our stuff onto the boat. It took us about 25 to 30 minutes to reach the island. They don't actually park right where the island is, but you can always swim to the island. It's super close and it's really easy. They provide life jackets, they've got first aid kit, they've got everything that you could possibly need. We brought our own food and our own drinks. It was one of the best days ever.